Good morning, students. This is Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor of English, Government Degree College, Nirmal. Now, today, as a part of this YouTube video lessons, I am going to explain you a basic grammar item, that is articles. Now, you might have known that what are articles. Yes, what are articles? Obviously, a, an, and the are considered as articles. Yes, now in this video I am going to explain you when and where we use these articles and how the questions will be asked on these items in examinations. Now first let me pose you one model question on these articles. Now this is a model question for you. Questions will be asked like this. Yes, a, an, and the are dash. Now select any one or more than one option from the given abstractors or distractors. Now the first option A is these articles are used before a countable singular noun. B, these a and an and the are the adjectives. So this option B is explaining us whether articles are adjectives. Now option C, whether these articles specify a noun. Option D, whether the articles are placed before a noun like prepositions. Now you can pick up 1, 2, 3 or 4 as your answer. Yes, obviously. Now for your understanding, I framed this question. Now the answer is 2, that is A, B and C are correct. It means, now here with the help of this question I would like to give you the concept of articles. Now articles are used before SESN. CSN stands for, C stands for countable, S stands for singular and N stands for noun. So articles are used before a countable singular noun. Now B is also correct, that is articles are adjectives. I think you know what are adjectives. Adjectives are the qualifiers which qualify a noun or an adjective or an adverb. And C, articles are, they specify a noun. Yeah, say whether there is a pen, it means how many pens are there. Yes, they are specifying the number of a noun, only one pen is there. Okay, so in this way, by the help of this slide and this model question, I would like to explain you the concept of articles. I think you are very clear with the concept of articles with this slide, is it? Now let's move on. Another model question, how questions will be asked in the examination, whether that is in your academic examination or in competitive examinations. Now this is the model question number 2. Please read out this. Is that dash 8 or dash B? I can't read it. This is the question. I would like to read out the question once again. Is that dash 8 or dash B? I can't read it. Yeah. So now the answers are options A, B an, C an A, D A and an. Now the answer is C, that is in first blank article an is used and in second blank article A is used. Now if we place these articles in these blanks, then the question or the statement of this question will be like this. Is that an 8 or a B? I can't read it. Okay, so I'll explain in next slides and you will get the clarification why I have used an before this 8 and A before B. Okay, while explaining when and where we use this a and an. Got my point? Yeah. This is another type of asking questions on articles. Okay, first this one. This is the question asked based on the concept of articles. Now the second question. This is the question asked on the usage of articles, especially a and an only. Okay, shall we move on to the next slide? Yeah. Now this is model question number 3. Now try to read out the question first. What's dash largest river in dash world? Is it dash Amazon or dash Nile? Once again I would like to read the question. What's dash largest river in dash world? Is it dash Amazon or dash Nile? Now your options are, A is telling us there are 4 blanks in this question. Now you have to pick up the right option to fill these 4 blanks of the statement. Now option A is telling that the and the. Option B is the, and A. Option C is the, no article is needed in third blank and an. Option D is the, no article is needed in third blank and also no article needed in fourth blank. Yeah, what might be your answer? No, I have already provided you. That is A. A means the, and the. So in all 4 the blanks article the is used. Now if I keep this article and the statement will become like this. What's the largest river in the world? Is it the Amazon or the Nile? Okay. So this question is based on again the usage of article the. So far I have shown you 3 different type of model questions asked on or will be asked on articles. Now once again I would like to show again. Now this is the first model question which is based on the basic concept of articles. So questions may be used on basic concepts of grammar items and may be used on the usage of grammar items or application type. So this is the question used on given on the concept of articles or the basic knowledge of grammar. Now but this question is an application type, that usage of article a and an. And question 3 also an application type question which is testing our ability on usage of article the only. Okay. Now this is all about the model questions and the concept of articles. So I think this exercise will give you some idea regarding how to cope up with this grammar item articles. Okay. Now let us switch on when and where we use these articles with some examples. Okay. Now yes, see this one. This slide is explaining you when and where we use article a and an. You see this article a and an is used when there is a countable singular noun in a sentence. Okay. Yes, when there is a countable singular noun in any sentence, then you are supposed to use an article, whether it is a, whether it is an, or whether it is the. But there are some other sub rules in this one. So you have come across one countable singular noun in a sentence. Before that, you are going to use an article. Now, when we use a and when we use an, yes, now if the countable singular noun begins with a consonant sound, no, consonant sound. Consonant means ka to ra in Telugu. Okay, in Hindi it is ka se lekar kshetra gnatak. So when the countable singular noun begins with a consonant sound, then article a is used. And when a countable singular noun begins with a vowel sound, then article an is used. Yes? Now you know what are the vowel sounds in English? They are from a to au in Telugu, and even in Hindi it is from a to au. This is a fundamental rule of using a and an. Remember once again, if the countable singular noun or the CSN begins with a consonant sound, a is used. If the CSN begins with a vowel sound, an is used. Now here are few examples for your understanding. Try to insert the correct article a or an. A or an. Now you see in this example what we have to use. Dash humble man. Dash humble man. Ha. The countable singular noun humble man begins with ha. Ha is a consonant sound. It is not a. I am not saying humble man. I am saying humble man. Ha is a consonant. So then what should be used here? Before consonant sound, a is used. Yeah, obviously, you are right. Then this has become a humble man. Now let's go to the second example. Dash hour. H-O-U-R. Hour. This is not hour. H is not being pronounced here. H is silent. So that's why it is hour. Ah. The countable singular noun H-O-U-R begins with a vowel sound, that is ah. So what is used before SES and begins with a vowel sound? An is used. Yeah, okay. Now this is correct to say an hour, but not a hour. Okay. So the way or your understanding of using correct article a or an depends on how much sound knowledge you have on the pronunciation. Yeah. So you see, if you pronounce H-O-U-R as hour, then obviously you use a. But the correct pronunciation is hour. So when you know the correct pronunciation, then only you can use the correct article. So the usage of articles depends on the knowledge of your pronunciation. Okay. Now let's move on to the next statement. Next example. Dash O-N-I-O-N. Onion. This is onion. Here O is giving O sound. Onion. Okay. So I is a vowel sound. That's why an is used, obviously. Okay. Now come to this one. This CSN ONERUPEECOIN. This is 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee coin. Is it 1 rupee coin or 1 rupee coin? If you say it is a 1 rupee coin, then you use A. And if you say it is 1 rupee coin, then you say an. So try to know the correct pronunciation, whether it is O or whether it is Wa. Okay? Now you see. Tell me whether it is A or A. Is it 1 rupee or 1 rupee? Okay? You say it is 1 rupee. So that's why it is a consonant sound. A is used. Okay. Now let's move on to this example. UMBRELLA, umbrella. Here U is giving A sound. A is a vowel sound. That's why obviously an is used. Now let's switch over to the next CSN. UNIVERSITY. This is university. Here this CSN is also begins with U, like the previous one, umbrella, but here U is giving ya sound, but whereas in umbrella U is giving a sound. That's why we used an there, but here in university the same U is giving ya sound. Okay, so ya is a consonant, that's why we are using A. That's why it is right to say a university and an umbrella, but it is wrong to say a umbrella and a university, or an university and umbrella. Okay, so don't confuse, because English is a non-phonetic language, you know already. That means one letter will not give only one sound. One letter represents many sounds. This is the real example for you, because U is giving A sound in umbrella and the same U is giving Ya sound in university. That's why U is not always Ya and U is not always A. Sometimes it is A and sometimes it is Ya. When it is A and when it is Ya, there are no ground rules for this one. You have to learn the pronunciation of all the words individually. Okay? Now, let's move on to the next example. Dash egg beater. EGGBATER. Egg beater. Yes? Here this CSN begins with the letter E and with the sound A. So A is a vowel sound, so we use an, no doubt. Now come to the next and the last one. Last example, EUROPEAN. This is European. Here European. Here the beginning letter E is not giving any sound, it is silent. So the next letter U is giving Ya sound. So Ya is a consonant. That's why we are using Ye. Okay. So this basic information with these examples is enough for you to know when and where we use article A and article an. Okay. Now let's move on to the next item, that is when and where we use article the. Now please note down usage of article the. Okay. Now the first usage is, now first I would like to give you an example and then I'll tell you the rule. You see, generally we say sun, moon, earth. Yes, What is the article we use before these nouns? Yes, sun, the sun. Yes, the sun. Moon, the moon. Earth, the earth. We never say a earth. Okay. So, with this example, please note down the rule. The rule is telling that article the is used before the unique things. Okay. It means that is the only one thing in the universe. So we see only one sun, that's why the sun. We see only one moon, that is the moon. We see only the one earth, that is the earth. Okay. Now come to the second rule. Now this rule is telling us that, now see this example. Look at dash chalkboard. Yeah, what is the article we use here? Now I am asking you, pointing out a particular thing. Look at dash chalkboard. What chalkboard? The chalkboard that I am showing you to see. Yes, so that's why here I am showing you a particular thing. The chalkboard is the particular chalkboard that I am asking you to see, not a general one. Okay, so in these cases we use article the, that when we are explaining or we are saying, we are discussing about a particular object at the point of time we are speaking. Okay, so that is the second rule. Please note down the second rule. Article the is used before the nouns which we are talking about at that point of time. Once again I would like to repeat, article the is used before the nouns which are particular at the point of time of speaking. Okay, now let's move on to the third rule. Please look at this example. Please look at this example. Dash Himalayas dash Vindhyas. Yes. Now what is the article we use? What are these Himalayas and Vindhyas? They are the mountain ranges. They are the mountain ranges. Okay. So before the mountain ranges we use article the. That's why it is the Himalayas, and in the same way it is the Vindhyas. Okay. But here I would like to give you one more example. You see this example. Dash Everest is in dash Himalayas. Yeah. Now tell me, what is the article we use in these two blanks? Yes, dash Everest is in dash Himalayas. As you know already, before Himalayas, as it is a mountain range, we use article the. You know this, so that's no problem here, the Himalayas. And what about Everest? Of course, Everest is only one mountain, a unique mountain, one mountain. We should not use the before that one, as we have used the sun, the moon, like that. But this Everest is a mountain, is a peak and a mountain range, that is Himalayas. Okay, that's why this Everest will become a proper noun. It is the name of a mountain in a mountain range. In a mountain range, Himalayas. This Everest is one of the mountain. Okay, this is the name of one of the mountain in the mountain ranges Himalayas. That's why, as you know already, we won't use any article before a proper noun, because Everest is a proper noun. That's why here no article is used. Then it will become Everest is in the Himalayas. Okay, got my point? Okay, right, next item number 4. Please note down this rule. Note down this rule. Yes. No, first see the example. Dash Sahara dash Thar. Yes. What are these? Sahara and Thar. These are the deserts. These are the deserts. So before the names of the deserts, it is rule we have to use article the. So it is right to say the Sahara, and it is right to say the Thar. Okay. So what is the rule? The rule is article the is used before the deserts. Okay. And one more example I would like to give you. Based on these examples, let's move on to one rule. Okay, that's fifth one. Now please note down these examples. Dash Panama dash Kuntala waterfall, which is there in Adilabad district. Kuntala waterfall dash Niagara it is Nigeria Krishna or Godavari dash Gibraltar dash Bay of Bengal Yes, if you observe carefully, all these there are some canals. The Panama is a canal. There are some waterfalls. Kuntala is a waterfall. Okay, there are some streets, water streets. Nigeria. There are some rivers. Godavari. There are some Gibraltar. This is called Jalasandhi. Okay, and this Bay of Bengal is a bay. So before all these, we use article the. Before the names of canals, names of rivers, names of oceans, names of waterfalls. Before all these, we use article the. Okay. So in all these, we use article the. Okay. Now let's move on to the next usage. Next usage. Now you see. Now. Dash AP Express. Okay. Dash Boeing 707. Yes. Dash Titanic. So what are these? Now the first one is AP Express is the name of a train. Boeing 707 is the name of a flight. Titanic is the name of a ship. So before the names of trains, before the names of flights, before the names of ships, we use article the. So therefore it is the AP Express. You should not say AP Express. You should not say AP Express is coming. Okay, AP Express is arriving. You should say the AP Express is arriving. In the same way, the Boeing 707. Okay, and at the same way, the Titanic sunk, like this. Okay, yeah. Next one. Yeah. Now you see this example. Veena plays dash Veena. Veena plays dash Veena. Now there are two Veenas are there. The first Veena is the name of a girl, a proper noun. The second Veena is also a name of a musical instrument. Okay, so Veena plays Veena. So before this Veena, which is the name of a musical instrument, then we use article the. So that's why it is Veena plays the Veena. So therefore, the rule is telling us that article the is used before the musical instruments. So it is correct to say the Veena, the guitar, the tabla, the violin, etc. The guitar. Anymore. Now see this. For another example. Okay. I read dash Ramayana. Okay. So here what is Ramayana? Ramayana is an epic. Okay. It's the religious book. Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavatam, Quran, Bible, Jandavesta, all these are the religious books. So before the religious books, also we use article the. So it is right to say I read the Ramayana. Okay, I read the Quran, I read the Bible, I read the Mahabharata, like this. Okay. Now, ninth, last but not one. Yes, now you see. My father reads dash Hindu public Inadu. What is this Hindu Inadu? These are the newspapers. Okay, so before the newspapers also we use article the. So that's why it is right to say my father reads the Hindu or the Inadu. Okay. Now for today, the last example I am going to give you, 10th one. Yeah, you see. Yeah. Oh, now it is happening. England is playing a test match series with dash West Indies. West Indies. Yes. Now you see England is the name of country. West Indies is also a name of country. But whereas before England, it's not a proper noun with plural. Okay. So the proper nouns which are ending in s, then we use article the. That's why England is playing a test match series with the West Indies, not with West Indies, with the West Indies. In the same way, there are some other examples like this. Generally, we say, okay, the Netherlands, the Netherlands. Okay. In the same way, we used to say the Philippines, not only Philippines, the Philippines. Okay. In the same way, the West Indies. Okay. So this is enough for you today, and we will move on continuation of this in the next video. Okay. Thank you very much.